Hi, this is Jerry Roberts, Director of Student Accounts.
Hi, I'm Alicia Griswold, and I'm currently a junior here at Unity College.
And I am going to help Alicia navigate this new page that we're excited to present for you. It's going to be coming, you're going to log in through your student portal where it says Billing and Payments, and that will be a new link, and this is what it's going to look like. We have all kinds of new features that I'm very excited to share. The one thing, so I wanted to go over the overall balance. That number may get a little scary, but that is for all terms that you are registered for. If you click on Pay, that will list out each term that you're registered for and the balance of each term. From there, you can choose to delete or edit an item. If you're not ready to pay for summer, you simply delete it, and you go ahead and pay bill now. If you didn't want to pay that entire amount, it does give you the edit item option. So if you wanted to change it, you can. And pay bill now. And from here, you choose a method. And when you scroll down to the bottom, whatever information you put in, it's optional. If you want to have that method saved for the next time you come in, go ahead and hit continue. Oh, I'm sorry. That's right. So it's not going to process anything, but that's where you would name it. So go ahead and go back to the account. And it would list right under Save Payment Methods. It would show up right there for you. And the next time you're going to make a payment, you just have to click there. Authorize users. Down there, if you want an authorized user, it can be a spouse. It can be anybody who you want it to be. To have access to go in and view your bill and make payment on your bill. If you do set somebody up and you decide that you no longer want them, you simply go into this same screen, go back to home, scroll down, and you would list there, and there would be a delete button or an edit button, and you could choose either one. E-refund. The e-refund, everybody, I highly recommend setting it up. Instead of cutting checks, waiting for it to come in the mail, it can be a very timely process. It's much quicker this way. You would go ahead and enroll there, set up your information. If you get here and you decide that you do want to receive checks, you can click no, the second option. But go ahead and set it up, and this way you'd fill everything out. And then once you do that, go ahead and hit cancel. Go back to, it would show up right there under e-refund, and it will also give you an option there to either edit that option or to delete it.
Is there a statement that I can download for my personal files?
And so we are now offering hard copies. They'll be downloaded, and they're going to live right here under statements. And so if you do need to download a hard copy for an employer or anybody or yourself, just for your own records, that's where you would print it. And we do have a couple of payment options. It lists there, so the payment option is limited to the particular term that it states, and it will tell you how many months or how many installment there are for each plan. So for the 4 installment plan, there you can list how much you want to do for a payment plan, either the entire amount of your term or a certain specific amount that you want to do. And it will list when it's due, how much it's due, and if you continue with this process, it will also give you an option for reoccurring payments, so you can set it up so it'll come out automatically. You don't have to worry about it.
Can I cancel this process at any time?
You can. So if you get to this point and you don't want to continue, go ahead and click cancel here. And if you should get enrolled, or if you should enroll and you decide that you don't want that payment plan any longer, contact me and I can take care of that for you. And then also above, we have a help. So if anytime you can't reach me, if you have any questions, you can go here. If there's something not listed here, you can send me an email, contact me. My information is going to be listed in the Contact Us. All right, and once you get to the Contact Us and you're here, if you have any questions, you can contact the your concierge right there online at unity.edu or at that phone number listed right there. Any other questions?
I don't think so.
All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, Jerry.